Well, Megan can't hear this, but there's some very spooky music that we're hearing. There is still plenty of time to find the perfect Halloween costume, and Megan Powell is a brand coordinator with Goodwill Industries of Alberta. It was very spooky, so I'm glad you didn't have to get scared by that. Megan joins us this morning to chat about some really fun options you can put together yourself at Goodwill. Good morning. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having us. Yeah, it is not too late to find a Halloween costume. There's still plenty of options out there for those last-minute people looking to DIY their costume.
And Halloween really does offer that opportunity to highlight our creativity. What do you think makes a Halloween costume special? Like, what is it?
I think unique to the person. Like, there are so many options out there. It's about the person and what they love and making it unique to them.
That makes sense. Are you seeing any trends this season? Because I'm sure people are already in the stores.
Yes, absolutely. So Inside Out is a big trend. I'm dressed as Sadness this morning, but any of the emotions on the movie. Minions continues to be a really popular one. Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you've put together some looks for us as well.
Yes.
You know, perusing the store. I have to think this would be super fun to just go and pick out.
Yes, and like unleash your creativity. The world is your oyster. You can pick whatever you want.
Amazing. Okay, show us some of our models. Tell us who we have.
So this is Grant. He's dressed as an oil worker. Very, appropriate for Alberta, of course. All of this was found at actually the Goodwill bins, and his costume is less than $5.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. This is Trista. She's one of, she shops in our stores a lot. She owns It's Vintage, and she's dressed as Arthur this morning.
So
super
cute.
Easy to execute by yourself with just like a yellow sweater, your glasses, jeans, like very easy to do last minute for this one.
And adorable and reusable. I mean, you could use some of that again.
Yes. And then last but not least, we've got Jessica, and she's dressed up as a dog today. She took inspiration from her own dog, who's a silver lab, Bert. Again, very easy to execute, wearing all gray to match her dog, some cute puppy ears, and a little bit of makeup to kind of pull the look together.
It is so good. And the nice thing, too, about shopping at Goodwill is, you have that opportunity to make a difference to the planet because you're often choosing previously enjoyed items.
Yes.
And then also you're helping out the folks who live on our planet.
Absolutely. So sustainability is a big part of Goodwill. We divert over 21 million kilograms of items from the landfill every year just by shopping secondhand. And at the same time, you're also making a difference. We're a registered nonprofit. 92 cents of everything we earn goes towards supporting Albertans with disabilities, find employment within our community. So you can feel good about shopping secondhand and know that the money is going somewhere within our community and helping people as well.
And I know a lot of folks, as we get into the fall season, just to give you a plug on the other side of that, of getting the product, a lot of folks are doing a bit of, purging, cleaning.
Yes, donations.
So talk to us about the donation side of this.
Yes, we have donation centers across Alberta, Grand Prairie, Edmonton, and Calgary. We have them all over the city to make it easy for you to drop off your items of gently used clothing and household items. We can take those and then sell them in our stores. And again, 92 cents of everything that we earn goes towards supporting programs for people with disabilities. So
wonderful and lovely staff and a great initiative. And of course, like you said, that sustainability component is really top of mind for a lot of folks. Megan, thank you so much for your time today. Megan Powell is the brand coordinator with Goodwill Industries of Alberta. For more information and a little inspiration, you can head to goodwill.ab.ca. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you so much.
And thank you, models.